In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an amazing photo montage using CapCut's template library. This video is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their editing process and produce stunning results with ease. So first things first, you'll want to head over to CapCut's template library. This is a fantastic resource filled with pre-made templates specifically designed to make your editing faster and simpler. For this project, we'll be focusing on a photo-based template. Take a few moments to browse through the selection and choose a template that best suits the style or theme you're aiming for. Whether you're looking for something sleek and modern or more creative and playful, there's likely a template that fits your vision. After selecting the perfect template, you'll want to click on the button that says Use Template. This is where the magic begins, as this option allows you to start customizing the template with your own media. You'll import your photos, so make sure you have all the images you want to include readily accessible on your device. Uploading should be quick and straightforward, ensuring that you can seamlessly move to the next part of the process. Once your photos are uploaded into CapCut, the software will automatically place them into the template for you. This feature is a significant time saver, as it saves you the hassle of manually arranging each picture and worrying about fit and positioning. CapCut is designed to make this part of the process as smooth as possible, giving you more time to focus on creative tweaks and adjustments. At this point, you have the foundation of your project ready, but there's always room for personalization. Take a careful look at the text, music, and photo placement. You might find that some adjustments are necessary to perfectly align with the mood you want to convey. CapCut allows you to edit text, change fonts, sizes, colors, so that your captions or titles match the overall aesthetic of your montage. The same goes for music. You'll want to ensure that the soundtrack complements the visuals, and you might want to look for a tune that elevates the emotional impact of your video. Finally, you might need to tweak the placement of photos slightly to emphasize particular subjects or ensure everything is cropped perfectly. By following these steps, you can create a polished and visually engaging photo montage in no time at all. CapCut's intuitive design makes it easy for anyone to become a skilled video editor. And with the right template, your project can truly stand out. Thank you for choosing to learn with us today, and happy editing.